Good morning. It's 10:30, and I just wanted to show these hypothetical trades. I'm actually not in them, but these would have. I've been sitting on the charts, basically just watching them. As I'm still not fully confident enough to jump in these kind of trades yet. This, to be fair, would have been a valid setup for me anyway. I would have. This would be in profit right now. Would have got a lovely sniper entry. But yeah, just want to go through this, show what I was seeing. Honestly, I probably would have at least closed one position by now. It's been consolidating here for a good 20 minutes now. So I would have probably closed that 1 to 3. Probably holding this second position for the swing. But yeah, I'm just going to let this play out. But took a loss on AU. I'm just going to show this as well. So I'm going to show the loss first. Why is it every time I do these videos there's a fucking cat outside meowing like crazy? It's not my cat, but... Okay, so what I saw was a 1 hour order block on AU. So let me just go through what I was seeing, just get rid of all this. So yeah, so this hourly order block. Again, I probably shouldn't be really trading hourly order blocks because I don't know, it's just not my style, and it's not. I don't know, or at least waiting for proper reactions because I saw this, but everyone in the Discord was like, "Yeah, I'm waiting for fair value gaps. I'm waiting for this. I'm waiting for that." But anyway, I saw it tap into the zone. These were all hypothetical entries. So my first one was here. Stop loss above the high there, because I saw this little fair value gap there, and then we tapped back into it, and I thought, yes, I saw that happen. I was like, yeah, perfect entry. Here we go. Price came back, didn't tap me out yet. Made another push. I was like, okay, cool. And then I saw this little 5-minute fair value gap get formed, so I gave myself another kind of hypothetical entry, covering that high again. And then yeah, it's continuing. So I think it's waiting for a bit more of a discount, really. But yeah, I kind of understand what the guys are saying by like wait for proper reactions and stuff like that. This is the other trade that I saw. So I'm just gonna reset that view. And then taking all this off again, let me just show what I saw. So on the 15-minute, I saw this push out. I was like, yeah, nice. We broke below previous day low. So I marked that up as a 5-minute order block. No, well, as just an order block. Dropped down. I noticed that it'd come back and failed to push higher, so I thought, okay, cool, it's going to come down for a bit more liquidity. Refine the zone to there. I probably wouldn't have entered there anyway, I know better than that. Refined it to there, and then, like the guys were saying in the Discord, waiting for the 5-minute fair value gap, so saw that big push out, fair value gap got created, and then I dropped down to the 1 minute. Honestly, I did expect that as the reaction, and then I saw we've got an order block here and a breaker block there, so my entry was literally spot on to the pit, well, for there, and then obviously we dropped a bit lower. I think my stop loss was like that. and then targeted. Went to target the highs really, but yeah, like I said, I would have probably, especially seeing all this, I would have at least closed at 3-1 for one position. I always take two positions, so one of them probably would be closed by now. The other, realistically, I'd be at break even, because if we come in all this far, like we really should not. We really should not be coming that far back. So yeah, a loss and a win. Hypothetical loss and a win. Again, yeah, I don't know. It makes sense with what the guys are saying, especially coming off an hourly order block. You at least want to see a change of market structure before you start entering, because realistically, you're not just going to get a drop that just goes like that unless we're looking at news. So yeah, that's what I've been looking at, and yeah, time is 10:30, so I'll probably be on the charts for another hour and a half. See if we can get any setups. Might even just do a bit of back testing as well. Yeah, just figuring out entry models really, and stuff that feels the safest and gives a good risk to reward ratio as well. I'm gonna actually also start playing with really tight stop losses, because I know sounds stupid, yeah, but like that stop loss was there, I think. So like at the height of that, we could have got a. Let me see. Let's see. This is a. No, my entry was there, wasn't it? Stop loss was there. So yeah, at the height of that, we could have got a 3.6 or 3.7 to 1, right? But okay, let me just show, for example, tightening this stop loss to under this turns that from a 6 to 1. Again, tighten it even more to I don't know, maybe it doesn't need to be that tight, but I don't know, I'm just thinking like you could even take you could take a loss, you could take 2 losses, 3 losses in the same move and just still be like, you know what, let me go again, and you still and your risk to reward is still better than 3 to 1. Like say for example I put it there under this candle here, took a loss, and then re-entered. Even on a re-entry, I'm still getting 6.86 now instead of 7.86, which is still better than 3 to 1. Just an idea. I don't know. You get stopped out a lot, but at the same time, the wins would cover them. The wins would cover the losses, and I feel like sometimes you naturally just catch wins anyway. That just, I don't know. But yeah, I'm sure this is gonna hit TP2 now. Not really that bothered anyway, because most of the move has happened, so I'm pretty happy with that as an entry. I like the idea of waiting for fair value gaps to show themselves, but I guess at the same time, sometimes you're gonna miss moves like that. Waiting for a fair value gap, sometimes they're not gonna come back, even though this one actually has. Let's see another hypothetical entry here. Yeah, we're pushing for the high now. Just gonna move this out of the way. So there was a fair value gap, so let's see. Yeah, there's no real entry here. But there is. If you entered those, yeah, some people are entering knowing that that's the swing in it. That's interesting if it doesn't break this high. But yeah, cool. I'm gonna keep back testing. Let's see how well we can get this strategy.